Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make curry leaves juice. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy curry leaf juice in the morning for best results. This curry leaves helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. It's very good for your eyesight, reduce stress and eliminates bacteria. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. For making this juice today, I have soaked 2 cups of fresh curry leaves in water for 2 hours. Now the curry leaves are nicely soaked and ready. Clean wash it and transfer the curry leaves to a mixer jar. To this add juice of 1 big lemon. I have about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of water. Grind the ingredients to a very fine paste. To this add 3 cups of water and grind well again. Strain the curry leaf juice using a strainer. Then you can right away enjoy this healthy curry leaf juice. You can drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy, healthy and an immunity boosting drink. So do try this curry leaf juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.